Hey guys, it's Frances, and this week's collaboration was hosted by April with a Sparkle, and the theme was Pueen. So Pueen is a company that makes stamping plates, stamping polishes, scrapers, and stampers, and they were actually the first stamping plates that I ever owned. The first stamping polishes I ever owned as well. You can actually pick these up at Walmart. If your local Walmart carries them, mine does. I got most of my stuff from Amazon, but they do have them, some limited things at Walmart. As always, this is a sneak preview of what all the other ladies have done in this collaboration. If you would like to see what I did, make sure that you just keep watching and I'll show you how I did it. And here is my look for this collaboration. I am starting out with these two Sinful Colors polishes. One is called Why Not and the other is called Easygoing. And I am doing 2 coats of this Why Not. The first coat goes on a little bit streaky. One thing I will tell you is make sure you have a really good base on underneath this, because I have seen other videos where people have used this color. It's a really beautiful color, but it has been known to stain people's nails. And when I was removing around my cuticles and things like that, I know it did stain my cuticles a little bit. So if you are prone to nail staining, you might want to have a really good base coat underneath this. Now this second one, Easygoing, is actually kind of a peachy pink, I would say a peachy pink, so it tends to the warmer. And the first coat goes on a bit streaky, as do most white based polishes, but the second coat applies beautifully and it evens out. And I've noticed too with polishes like this, once you put on a clear coat, usually it evens things out pretty well. I always put a clear coat or a fast dry top coat on top of my polish before I stamp. I omitted it from this, but I always do that just to give me an even smooth base. And then I am putting on some liquid latex. This is one that I got from Amazon probably 4 years ago, 3 or 4 years ago. It's still going pretty strong. You can see I probably need to clean off that brush a little bit, but it still did work very well. And here is my Pueen plate, and I'm going to show you all the Pueen things I used in here. The plate I got from Amazon. It's actually the first set that I ever did own, and this stamper I got from Walmart, and the scraper I believe also came from Walmart. I don't have any Pueen stamping polishes anymore, so I'm using Maniology, which is formerly Bundle Monster. Guyleen 325 sent these to me, and they are beautiful. And I like them because they kind of matched up with the colors that I'm using for my base colors. I know that that color is a little bit different than the Easygoing, but if you'll notice when I stamp it, it stamps a bit lighter. So the overall tone is pretty much the same. So what I'm going to do is stop talking right here, put on some music, and I will catch you back at the end. So here is my final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. It did smear a little bit with that top coat, but if you're really careful, you can keep it from smearing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me. Make sure that you check out the other ladies. I will link them below, and I will see you again next time. Bye.